Beware of counterfeit CPUs, graphics cards, and other high-demand electronics. This AMD processor looked legit, but I purchased it from an Amazon third-party seller and something felt off. And when I compared it to my friend's CPU, the sloppy QR code added to my suspicions. In fact, I was unable to scan the QR code, which let me know that it was a counterfeit. Lucky for me, I was able to report the scammer to Amazon, return the item, and get a full refund, but things could have been a lot worse. While some threat actors may be scammers, there's a whole nother group of threat actors with more malicious intentions who will purchase products, replace the chips on the circuit board with compromised ones, so that the next buyer is infected with the compromised chip and possibly spied on. So sometimes that used or open box item may contain more than a discounted price tag. Take the OMG cable, for example. While this may seem like a standard ordinary charging cable for your smartphone, it actually has chips embedded within the cable that can be used to steal your data and run malicious commands remotely. So what can you do about this? Well, I recommend buying from the trusted vendors listed on the OEM's website. And for those highly sought-after components, like the NVIDIA RTX 5080 and 5090, you have the ability to join invite-only restock programs. But if you absolutely have to have that component and can't wait, you can utilize tools like CPU-Z to check out the internal details of your CPU, while GPU-Z can be used to check the quality of your graphics card by displaying the texture mapping units and render output units. So if you couldn't score the drop on its release date,